Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few more practice sums based on the basics of algebra, where we want to form mathematical expressions from the statements given. Let's do the first one. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? Use T for flying time in minutes. So here let me write here minutes, and here let me write the distance. So in 1 minute it flies 1 kilometer. In 2 minutes 1 plus 1 more 1. In 3 minutes 1 plus 1 plus 1. And so we can see the relation. This is 1 times 1. Okay, this is 2 times 1. This is 3 times 1. So the minutes are changing. The distance per minute is same, stays same. Minutes are changing. And so this is number of minutes which is changing. And so if we have T number of minutes, we will have T into 1 kilometer time. T into 1 kilometer. And that will be written as first 1 and then T. 1 T kilometer. We need to remember one more thing, that when we have number 1 with alphabet, we don't show it. So we just show this as T kilometers. Because multiplying by 1 is going to give you the same. 1 into 10 is 10. 1 into 50 is 50. 1 into 100 is 100. So 1 into T is T. So the rule which we are getting is it will travel T kilometer in T minutes. Let's do the next one. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli with chalk powder. She has 9 dots in a row. How many dots will her rangoli have if there are R rows? So this is rows and this is number of dots. So in one row she has 9 dots. In 2 rows she will have 9 plus 9. Each row 9 dots. In 3 rows she will have 9 plus 9 plus 9. These many dots. And that gives us the pattern, which is here 1 row she will have 9 dots. 1 into 9. 2 rows 9 plus 9, which is 2 times 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9, 3 times 9. And what is changing here? The number of rows are changing. And so in case she has R rows, then she will have R multiplied by 9 dots, which is represented as number first and then later without the multiplication sign, 9R. So we have a rule that she will have 9R dots, and therefore if there are 8 rows, there would be 9 into 8, 72 dots. If there are 10 rows, there would be 9 into 10, which is equal to 90 dots. So the R later can be replaced by the rows. So if I replace R by 8, I get 9 into 8, 72. If I replace R by 10, I get 9 into 10, 90 dots. So I can find now the dots for any number of rows by replacing that number of rows in this R here. Let's do the next one. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be X years. So it is already given that Radha's age should be X year. And therefore Leela's age, Leela is 4 years younger. Younger means her age is going to be less. Less means minus. 4 years younger than Radha. And what is Radha's age? X. So Leela's age will be X minus 4 years. Okay, let's do the next one. Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, how many laddus did she make? So laddus given away is equal to L. Now she has given away laddus and still 5 laddus are remaining. How many laddus are made? Whatever she has given, they were also made. So L were made. And 5 are still remaining, which means plus 5. Because they are still remaining. Even after giving this L away, these laddus giving it away, we still have 5. So total would be 5 plus L or L plus 5. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. When a large box is emptied, the oranges from it fill 2 smaller boxes and still 10 oranges remain outside. If the number of oranges in small box are taken to be X, what is the number of oranges in the large box? Okay, so we had this large box and there were some oranges in it. Okay, and there are some behind also. Okay, so don't count them. There are some. Okay, don't count them. Now when this is emptied and we have small boxes, so there were 2 small boxes are filled. If we take these oranges, 2 small boxes will be filled in. And so this is 1 plus this is 1 plus there are 10 more oranges still remaining. So we couldn't fill them in any of the boxes. Now what is said? That if the number of oranges in small box are X, here they are X. So in one there are X, in other so also X. And there are 10 more remaining. So these are the number of oranges. Now 1x and 1 more x, 2 times x. So that is 2 times x, which is 2 multiplied by x. We are not writing multiplication. 2 times x plus 10. So the oranges in the larger box are equal to 2x plus 10. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.